So I just pulled through to Darren's, and as soon as I walk in, he got the turbo out. I'm just gonna put an anti-surge housing on here. So we're gonna get a couple clips of that.
Ooh. Garrett doesn't make one for 3 inches.
Sheesh.
They only make a 4-inch one. I know people fit it, but I can barely fit this in there, so I'm not trying to deal with all that.
Yeah.
I'm sure it can be done. I'm not saying I can't. This is just easier.
This looks nice, Mamba.
And it's not hitting the wall anywhere. But the guy I was talking to said maybe it's not getting the oil it needs. So I'm going to take this off and make sure that the oil, what's it called? Oil restrictor is clear.
Okay.
Then after that, I'm gonna put this housing on and send it. See what happens.
Darren the man, fucking send it. Darren sends it on the daily, man. That's how you gotta do it.
I was supposed to do it on Friday.
That's how you gotta do it, man.
On Saturday. And I was like,
oil restrictor in there. Pretty cool stuff, man. Alright, just got that separated. It's 8 bolts. No, 6 bolts actually.
nothing's bent. No play, really. You're supposed to take your fingernail and run it on the edges, because if it hits something, it'll have a lip on it. This doesn't. What the fuck's going on with this? This is only like the 30th time I've wrapped this thing.
Yeah, that clip right there holds it in place. What's that piece called, the outer piece?
It's called, the technical term for it is outer piece.
Stock Garrett housing. Let me look over at the Mamba. Turbo's mounted back up. Just getting a lot of the plumbing all back together. Got some of the lines. We just got that one up top there tightened down. Axle's in. Turbo piping is plumbed up. So making good progress here. I'm gonna show you guys the next clip where car's running. Gonna start cranking it, building up pressure. Alright guys, it's cold as fuck outside. There's no traction, but Darren's gonna try to get some anti-lag, so see if he can do it.